Electric pressure cookers have transformed home cooking by combining multiple kitchen functions into a single programmable appliance. For busy households, they offer fast weeknight meals, precise timing for grains and yogurt, and reproducible results for stews and braces. In this review, I tested 5 popular options across a price range from $59.99 to $129.99 to evaluate on-ramp features: pressure cook, slow cook, sauté, steam, build quality.
List number 1. Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 Multi-Cooker. This top-tier Instant Pot model expands beyond the classic Duo with 9 cooking functions, including sous vide and a dedicated sterilize mode, all inside a 6-quart stainless steel pot. It features 15 one-touch programs and a robust 1,000-watt element, backed by UL-ULC safety compliance and a polycrystalline pot with a tri-ply bottom for more uniform browning when searing. The easy-release steam switch is designed for predictable pressure release, and the dishwasher-safe lid and inner pot simplify cleanup. At 6 quarts, it's well-suited for family meals and batch cooking, offering ample capacity without the bulk of a larger 8-quart model. In practice, the Duo Plus delivers consistent results across its most used modes. The 1,000-watt heater maintains stable pressure and temperature, reducing variability in recipes that rely on precise timings, yogurt incubations, and cakes included. The 15 presets simplify routine meals, while the customizable programs let experienced users tailor time and temperature. For users who value safety and modern conveniences, the model's multiple safeguards, including an easy seal lid lock and overheat protection, provide peace of mind during busy weeknights. The inclusion of 2 extra sealing rings and a stainless steel steam rack adds practical value for frequent pressure cooking and steaming tasks.
List number 2. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Mini Electric Pressure Cooker. The Duo 7-in-1 Mini is a compact, feature-rich model that balances capability and price. It supports pressure cook, slow cook, sauté, steam, rice, yogurt, and warm sterilize modes within a 3-quart footprint, positioned as ideal for small households or supplemental kitchen tasks. It uses a stainless steel 18x8 pot with a tri-ply bottom and a 700-watt heater, which is adequate for most everyday meals. Its 11 one-touch programs provide a broad recipe coverage, while the compact size makes it easy to store or take on trips. An important value driver is the app with thousands of recipes, helping beginners learn the device quickly. Performance-wise, the 3-quart Duo handles simple dinners and side dishes with speed comparable to its larger siblings, offering up to 70% faster results relative to traditional slow cooking. The smaller capacity does constrain batch cooking and big soups, but it excels at individual portions or couples meals. The dishwasher-safe lid and inner pot simplify maintenance, and the 700-watt motor is reliable for everyday tasks. For users prioritizing portability, the price-to-size ratio is compelling, and the rich recipe app is a meaningful bonus, though it may require smartphone compatibility for full access.
List number 3. Electric Pressure Cooker. Apto PVP offers a distinctive 10-function versatility plus a 24-hour intelligent reservation feature, expanding the planning horizon for busy cooks. With a 12-cup, roughly 3.0 to 3.5 quart equivalent capacity in practice, and a 1,050-watt element, it supports pressure cooking, slow cooking, yogurt, rice, steaming, and more, including vacuum low-temperature cooking for precise texture. The detachable lid design enables stir-frying without removing heat from the pot, which can reduce cook time and simplify multi-step recipes. The model emphasizes space-saving, multi-purpose cooking in a single unit. In use, the 24-hour reservation is a standout feature for meal planning, allowing you to set dinner readiness up to a day in advance. The detachable lid is a practical safety and usability improvement for frequent sautéing and stir-frying indoors, as it reduces the risk of burns during lid handling. The aluminum body contributes to quick heating, though it demands careful cleaning to maintain interior aesthetics. The 12-cup capacity translates to roughly 6 to 8 servings depending on dish type, making it attractive for families or batch prep enthusiasts.
List number 4. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker.
This model represents the classic Duo family, 7 functions including pressure cooking, slow cooking, sautéing, steaming, rice, yogurt, and warm. It uses a 1,000-watt heating element and a stainless steel pot with a tri-ply bottom. The product emphasizes straightforward operation with 13 one-touch programs and a user-friendly display, along with an easy-release steam switch for safer venting. As a mid-range option, it provides a balance of feature set and cost, making it a popular everyday cooker for families seeking reliability. In real-world use, the Duo 60 demonstrates consistent results for everyday meals, with the reliability that Instant Pot users rely on. It shines in quick weeknight dinners and batch-cooked grains like rice and beans. The 6-quart capacity hits a sweet spot for most households, though larger families may wish for an 8-quart option. The 1,000-watt element ensures decent performance without excessive energy consumption, and the brand's ecosystem support, recipes via app, and community tips adds practical value for cooks seeking guidance.
List number 5. Comfy's 9-in-1 electric pressure cooker. Comfy positions itself as a value-oriented 9-in-1 cooker with a generous 6-quart capacity, 14 presets, and a 1,000-watt element. While the pot's interior uses aluminum rather than full stainless steel, its 14 programmable presets cover pressure, slow cook, rice, steam, yogurt, cake, egg maker, and more, plus a 24-hour delay timer for meal planning. The unit ships with a full accessory set and emphasizes safety with 10 safety features and an auto pressure release system. The inline design and 6-quart footprint are compelling for families and weekend cooks seeking variety without paying a premium. In practice, the Comfy shows solid, dependable performance across common recipes like rice, yogurt, and stews. The 24-hour delayed timer is a practical convenience for overnight planning, while the 6-quart capacity supports batches suitable for family meals. The aluminum interior can simplify heat transfer, though it may require more careful cleaning to preserve surface finish. The included accessories, steam rack, measuring cup, spoon, etc., add meaningful value for new users building out a kitchen toolkit.